In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact BGM Group Limited. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.bgmgrouplimited.com/contact. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official contact interface of BGM Group Limited. From here, you'll be able to find the contact informations. Right over here, you'll also be able to find the address. So you can simply visit the address and contact them in person. You'll also be able to see the opening hours over here. From Monday to Friday, it is 8 a.m. to 17 p.m. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the phone number. So you'll also be able to call them via this phone number and contact them. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the email address over here. So you'll also be able to contact them via the email address if you want. The easiest way to contact them is to simply enter your message over here and submit it. For that, what you have to do is first of all enter your name. Click on the field of name. Now what you have to do is enter your name over here. Likewise, click on the field of email address and enter the email address. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your message. Click on the field of message. Now type in your message over here. Now after you type in your message, what you have to do is click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your message has been submitted. Now BGM Group Limited will receive your message, review it and respond to you via the email. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact BGM Group Limited. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.